Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about self-love, how to love and prioritize yourself, how to treat yourself like a baby. Before we go into this video, please like it because I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. Leave a comment below, share with your friends, subscribe and follow me on all social media platforms. Self-love is basically how you treat yourself, how kind you are to yourself. Loving yourself is being intentional about you. You must love yourself more than you love anyone. You must take care of yourself first before you take care of anyone. You are your own priority. You can't neglect yourself and be taking care of others. That means that you don't like yourself. You obviously don't like yourself. It is called self hatred. If you don't put yourself first, why would you expect me to put you first? People watch how you treat yourself and they treat you the same way you treat yourself. So learn how to prioritize yourself. Learn how to put yourself first before your kids, before your family, before your friends, before even your work. You can't love anyone more than the way you love yourself. And you can't expect people to love you more than the way you love yourself or more than the way they love themselves. That is why people get hurt because people keep looking for love in the hands of others. You keep looking for your happiness in the hands of others. Meanwhile, you can find love inside of you. You can give yourself the kind of love that you want other people to give you. So stop looking for love outside of yourself. Fall in love with yourself first. The best thing I have ever done for myself is loving myself. Loving yourself makes you know yourself. It helps you learn how to spend time with yourself. The more you spend time with yourself, the more you love yourself, the more you know yourself. I keep saying this, if you can't spend time with yourself, why would someone else want to spend time with you? If you keep running away from yourself, why would someone else want to stay with you? Me, I wouldn't want to stay with someone that keeps running away from themselves because why do you keep running from you? I don't know. Whatever that is chasing you from yourself is making me run away from you. Get to know yourself. Get to spend time with yourself. You are all you've got in this world. It is you. You before anybody. Self-love isn't selfishness. No, self-love is you basically prioritizing and taking care of yourself because it is a must. Is it that you do it now, or you do it in your 40s, or you do it in your 60s, or you do it when you're 100, or you do it when you're 120 years old? It is a must. To live your best life, you have to learn how to love yourself. To experience life to the fullest, you have to learn how to love yourself. If you can't love yourself, you're not going to enjoy this life. I'm being honest with you. You are always going to keep thinking that there is something missing in your life. Oh my God, I need to get married. I'm sure when I get married, I'll be happy. I'm sure when I travel abroad, I'm going to be happy. And when you do all these things, you're going to find out that I'm still empty on the inside. I'm still not complete. What am I gonna do now? You need to love yourself. You need to love yourself. I have an amazing voice. Duh. Self love is about how you talk to yourself. Do you talk to yourself in a very kind way? Do you talk to yourself harshly? Do you talk to yourself negatively? Self love is about you praising yourself, you uplifting yourself, you motivating yourself, you being nice to yourself. It is also about you forgiving yourself. Forgiving yourself for all the disrespect you allowed in your past. Forgiving yourself for all the bad things that you passed through. You can't beat yourself up forever. You can't hold grudges with yourself forever. You have to let go. You have to tell yourself that, anyway, no problem. I've learned from this and it's time for me to move past this. People used to say that you have to forgive people. When you forgive people and you let go, you heal. Bullshit. You have to forgive yourself. Sometimes we are so pissed at ourselves. We are so angry at ourselves for allowing ourselves pass through things, for making mistakes in our past. But you need to be sweet to yourself. You need to forgive yourself and let go. You can't beat yourself up forever. You can't be angry at yourself forever. You have to let go and let God. Forgiving yourself doesn't happen overnight, but you have to make the decision and be like, okay, I'm done being angry at myself about this. Okay, I'm done. And every day when you remember that thing, you're like, I forgive myself. I'm going to do better next time. I've learned my lessons and it's going to be better henceforth. Simple. And you're going to see yourself enjoying yourself. You're going to see yourself happy again. It is when you forgive yourself that whoever that hurts you will be insignificant in your eyes. So you must not forgive that person for you to move on. No, you forgive yourself. You. You have to acknowledge that you are only human. It's okay for you to make mistakes. Raise up your hand. Anyone that has never ever made mistakes will fall, will stand up, and we keep moving. So be kind to yourself, be soft to yourself, okay? And stop accepting negative opinions about you. Stop criticizing yourself. Talk to yourself in a sweet way. Be your own sugar pie. Be your own honey pie. Turn yourself on. Sometimes you look at yourself, you're like, see, guys, let me tell you guys this. Before I turned on my camera to do this video, I was like, I looked at myself in the mirror, I was like, Siata, Jesus Christ, Siata, you look like a Barbie. You are pretty. You are pretty. I couldn't even wait to come on this video and show you guys how pretty I look. I'll show you guys perfection. I'll show you guys a queen well made, perfectly crafted. See, there was a time in my life that I didn't like the shape of my head. I hated how I looked. I thought I was ugly. I legit thought I was ugly. I didn't even know. I didn't even know that I was so pretty. I was pretty. And the world was even emphasizing and justifying the, like, they were trying to emphasize and tell me that I was ugly. You know, people, bullies in school and all that. People see your greatness even before you see it. They knew I was pretty and they wanted to put me down. They wanted me not to know myself. So I'm telling you this thing, you are pretty. You are fantastic. You are handsome. You are amazing. It is just for you to believe it. Look at yourself in the mirror and be like, I'm pretty. Stop looking at yourself that you are short. I have big head. My head is long like mango. That is gonna used to tell me then. I'll fuck all of them. Fuck you all wherever you people are. Fuck you front, back, center. Don't agree to the negative opinions about you. Don't look at your insecurity. Your insecurity to someone else is even perfection. You're the one worrying yourself. So relax and enjoy your life. Loving yourself is you enjoying yourself, enjoying and experiencing life to the fullest. Okay, so I want you to watch this video like 10 times, 50 times. Just watch it and keep watching it until it sinks in. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, please like it, leave a comment below, share with your friends on your social media, subscribe to my channel, because I know you already know this, we're feeling ourselves and I know that you're going to enjoy it here. So hit that subscribe button and subscribe. Self-love is you investing in yourself. Be your own investment. Be your own working $1,000,000. If you can't invest in yourself, why would I invest in you? Because I'm investing in myself. You have to put in yourself. You have to learn self-development. Treat yourself well. Don't be stingy to yourself, okay? Invest in you. You are your best investment. Invest in the way you look. Look your very best, because when you look good, you feel good. Put in effort in the way you look. Prioritize your look. If you can afford certain things, you get it for yourself. You level up mentally. You get better mentally, physically, psychologically, emotionally, financially, and otherwise. Loving yourself is taking care of yourself financially. You should have a good savings account. Loving yourself is you prepping for the rainy day. So when you have a need financially, you can come through for yourself. Okay, so you won't feel like, oh, it is me. Life is so hard for me. You have to learn how to manage your finances well. No matter how small, save, learn how to manage it well, okay? Okay, my darling. So learn how to be prudent with money. You should have a savings account. You should have a different savings account where you can, always keep money and you don't touch it. Preferably, you save in dollars or in any other foreign currency. So always take out some money from whatever you earn and keep it aside. Self love is about you eating good. When you love your body and your lungs, you treat your body well. You treat yourself with care. You stop smoking because it's not good for your lungs. Do you want your lungs to shrink? To shrink? Do you want that? So you stay away from sugary things. You minimize the way you take alcohol. Let me tell you guys something. There's something I practiced this year that made me so proud of myself. So beginning of this year when I was calm, even when I was crying, even when I was wailing, I made sure that I was eating. I made sure that as I was doing, oh my God, I was shoving the food down my throat. Self love is you feeding yourself well, even at your lowest. You don't take chances with your health because when you finally get better, when you finally move past whatever is hurting you, you are not going to have any health issues. The only thing I kept thinking about when I was crying about that calm ordeal I passed through was, okay, Siata, you need to eat because you don't want ulcer. So I didn't want, when I finally moved past the hurt I was passing through, I will now find myself in the next level of another ordeal, a health complication. So self love is you taking care of yourself even at your lowest. You are taking utmost care of yourself. You don't lose guard. You don't treat yourself anyhow. While you're crying, while you're passing through pain, you still carry yourself like an egg. You still prioritize yourself because if not, you're going to face the consequences later. So it's better for you to treat yourself nice now than for later. You will still face the consequences because it's you that will still take care of yourself. Self love is about you believing in yourself. So when you love yourself, you believe that you can be or do anything whatsoever. You can achieve anything. You have to learn how to believe in yourself. You have to learn how to trust yourself, trust your instincts. So you have to believe that when people live your life, someone better comes in. So don't you ever be desperate and feel like they have left me. What am I gonna do? When they leave, it opens room for other people, better people to come in, better people that are going to treat you better. When people live your life, you level up and you attract better people. You develop yourself and you attract higher people. There are 1,000,001 people in this world that want you, that will like you. So stop crying over spilled milk or someone that left you. Let the person leave. Let the person cut away. My grandmother used to say, cut away you. The person should cut away so that better people can enter your life, so that you can be free for better people to see you. So stop crying over spilled milk. Let the milk spill and pour over and dry so that fresher milk, sweet, juicy, succulent milk can come in. Okay? When you love yourself, you will not be crying over nonsense. When you love yourself, you won't be desperate over things because you know that things will come. Before you close your eyes and open it, there are 1,000 around you begging you, please pick me, please want me, please is you I like. So, on a serious note, so when you love yourself, you are not desperate. You're not desperate for attention. You're not desperate for love. You're not desperate for people because you know that people love all those things that you want will come because you believe in yourself so much and you trust yourself and you trust the universe. So when you love yourself, sometimes you become lonely and it's fine. Trust me, it happens to the best of us. It is not loneliness, it is boredom. So go live, go experience life, go and engage yourself with things. And you're going to see that that boredom or that loneliness is going to disappear. Film. So engage yourself with so many activities. When you have excess time, you start using that excess time you have to develop yourself, to level up. Self love is the result of self esteem. How much do you estimate yourself? How much do you value yourself? Do you estimate yourself high? Have high self esteem. Value yourself so high, like a diamond. Boom, up there. Don't you ever sell yourself short. When you realize how much you're worth, you are going to start loving yourself. You're going to start falling in love yourself. So have boundaries, have high standard, know your worth, and add task. So when you love yourself, you don't go or stay where you're not appreciated, whether in relationships, at work, at home, family, wherever, whatsoever, in any situation. You don't stay where people put you down. You are an egg, you are a diamond. So you have to go to where you're appreciated. You have to go to where you are well taken care of. Because if not, you're going to keep losing yourself. You are going to keep disregarding yourself. And one day you are going to disappear. One day you're not even going to know yourself again. You're not going to know your left from your right. You're just going to be a walking corpse, just going. If they say come, you will come. If they say go, you will go. You are going to lose yourself as a human being. And one day you are still going to wake up. Are you going to wake up? Yes. Are you going to learn self love? One day you are still going to learn it. But when you finally open your eyes, you're going to feel so bad. You're going to feel like, why didn't I start this thing when I was in my 20s, when I was in my 30s, when I was in my 40s? I would have achieved so much more in life. When you love yourself, you experience life to the fullest, you enjoy life more, you achieve better things in this world. You do exploits, you do amazing things in this world. You are top notch. So please, 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 please learn how to love yourself, okay? So if you guys have any questions whatsoever, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so, so much for watching this video. Please like this video if you learned from it, if it helped you. Leave a comment below. Please share this video with your friends on your social media. We need to learn how to love ourselves. When we all learn how to love ourselves, the world can be a better place because it is what you have that you can give to others. When you can love yourself, you can know the best way to love other people, to treat other people better. Better. You can click here and subscribe and click any of these videos here and watch and entertain yourself. Trust me, you're going to enjoy either and all of them. Get yourself acquainted with my channel. Go and look at my other videos. So I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.